Say states and capitals. Say India capital, Telangana, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Karnataka, Kerala, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Orissa, Sikkim, Tripura, Mizoram. Very good.